evening. Hello folks, welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I dreamed of this morning at about 4:35 or so when I was just getting back to sleep. It's 7:30 now. I have leftover jambalaya here that I made, right? I have leftover flour tortilla shells. Oh, by the way, hello folks, I'm BLG. I am lefty. I am righty. Leftover jambalaya, leftover flour tortillas. Guess what that makes when you put them together and deep fry them? A chimijambachangalaya. That's what we're going to make today. Just like this here. I got my oil heated to 350 degrees. That's in that right there. So I'm going to take some of this jambalaya here, mix it around a little bit so I don't have all water. Make sure I got some of the sausage and some of the chicken, some of the shrimps in here. Put another piece of chicken, another piece of the shrimp. Don't want to make it too fat. Hopefully this will work. You can see me right, kind of. I'm going to try to tuck the edges, get off of me. I'm going to try to tuck the edges over like this. See? Nice and tucked in good, too. I'm going to take it. I'm going to start rolling this bad boy up. Stay in there, bitch. I'm going to roll him up. Roll him up. I want to try to keep all that in here. I think I got too much. I'm going to scrape a little bit of that off. Scrape a little bit of that out of the way. I don't want it spilling out into the grease. There we go. Want to pack it down? That looks good. Yeah. See? Nothing coming out. Into the basket it goes. And drop it. Uh-oh, it flipped over on me. No big deal. I'm just going to fry it till it's golden brown. If it doesn't explode, it's exploding, folks. I got to find a way to keep it from getting to me here. Maybe if I stab it with a toothpick or two. I got a couple of toothpicks. We'll fix this. Little exploding bastard. Hopefully it didn't get too hot on me. No, it didn't. We'll tuck him up here again. This time I'll stab him with toothpicks. I'll stab another one in him. That didn't hold. I'll stab him again. And I'll stab him one more here. There we go. Now we'll put him down. That should work. Fry him up for a little bit. Just enough to get the flour golden brown. We're going to have ourselves for a bar snack Chimijambachangalaya. There we go. Just a little wipe off here. The main idea is just I don't want all that liquid to get into the oil, see? That's why I pin him shut the best I can. Because I did deep fry some clams the other day, and the water out of the frozen clams even. Got in a pissy fit, boiled that motherfucker over. It made a mess. Didn't make a fire though, because there's no flame under it. If it would have been on the stove, it would have been a fire. And you notice I moved the fire extinguisher. It's no longer on the wall here. It's just right outside the door here though. See, right there. That's fire extinguisher. Moved it. See, look at it go. We're starting to float. Starting to get nice and brown. That's what we're looking for, folks. Quick and easy bar snack. Good for you to eat. The Chimijambachangalaya. Look at that golden brownness. That's done. Believe it or not. Shut that oil off. I could make more of them, but I'm just going to do the one for today. I got another gadget we'll be testing right there yesterday at the thrift store. So, here, let's take this bad boy and drain him. Yep. Drain him out. Alright. Pull the toothpicks out of him. Don't think I need them anymore. Should be pretty well holding together. And smack this little bad boy down. Basket goes back in there. Little paper towel. go, folks. Man.
As long as you haven't left it sit out overnight or something.
Let this bad boy drain out on this here paper towel.
Taste it before you put it in. Are you making a sandwich or?
There we go. We'll let that drain for just a little bit. Get these toothpicks out of here.
Okay, you're fine. I'm sure.
Just a quick little episode today, yeah. Look at there.
Okay.
Let that drain out a little bit. I'm gonna put him on a better,
Yeah, that's.
put him on a different plate here though for you, so that I can at least get it looking decent. I want it to look good for you, right? Like that. Voila. Set this back in the fridge real quick.
Alright, the same.
That goes here.
Did you put chicken in it too? Yeah.
I'm looking for something real quick. I don't know if I have any more. I do. Here, put a little drizzle of this across the top here. Ortega taco sauce. Definitely not sponsored by anybody yet.
So we can give him the pedigree. So at least part pedigree.
There we go. Pooey. Did you look at her, folks?
Yeah, probably part just in case. I don't know what.
It is a
But
Chimijambachangalaya, baby. And that's our episode. Just a quick little one. Something you can do with leftover jambalaya, I suppose. So, hope you liked the episode. Do as the theme song says at the end. And we'll see you back here next exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. For Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I'm BLG. I am lefty, and I am righty. We'll see you guys back here after I get done with my coffee and all that stuff. And we're going to test out this food processor I got at the thrift store. So, see you in probably an hour or two. Goodbye, everybody. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.